And it goes up, and it goes up, and holy shit. Oh, it's about, I don't know, 20 feet above the roof. So why am I showing you this? Because, man, that looks like an ideal spot to fart. Don't you think? Let's do it. I don't know, man. That's pretty damn far up there. Ah, hell, you only live once. Fuck it. Alright, here we go. I really can't tell you why I'm doing this. I must just be that bored or that stupid. But I'll tell you what. This is about 20 feet here, so... Oh, shit. I'm farting already. Oh, well, here's the deal. I'm going to climb to the top of the pole and fart. But I was thinking to myself, that ain't good enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to climb to the top of the pole. I'm going to put this bell in between my ass cheeks, and I'm going to fart and ring the bell. Hope I don't die. Alright, here we go. Oh boy. I'm out of my fucking mind. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. Alright. Holy shit. It's up here. Now I'm going to get my ass out. Now I'm going to put the bell in my ass. Oh. And now, oh, I'm farting. Oh, and I farted with the bell in my ass. Oh. All right. Oh. Whoo, shit. All right. Oh, try it over here. Oh, yeah. Woo. I'm sure glad hot air rises. Oh. Oh. Man, that was so scary. My cheeks are still whole. Woo. That bell needs a washing, I'd have to say. Oh, all right. I'm out of here. Woo. And now, I do my fireman's ass out. Fire escape. Whoa.